Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm thrilled to share a pivotal moment in my YouTube journey, my first income as a craft YouTuber. I remember the excitement and disbelief when I received that first payment. It felt like all my hard work was finally paying off. Crafting has always been my passion, and starting this channel was a way for me to share that love with you all. But turning that passion into income, that was a whole new adventure. In this video, I'll take you through my journey to monetization, share how I earned my first income, and give you tips to help you on your own YouTube path. Let's dive in. First, a little background. Crafting has been a part of my life since childhood. I spent countless hours making DIY projects with my mum, and as I grew older, that passion only grew stronger. I decided to start my YouTube channel on October 11, 2023 to share my creativity with the world. However, I faced challenges right from the beginning. Finding the right lighting, figuring out how to edit videos, and most importantly, attracting viewers were all hurdles I had to overcome. I often doubted if I would ever find an audience, but my love for crafting kept me motivated. Slowly but surely, I started building a community. I focused on creating quality content, engaging with my audience, and sharing my projects. My goal was clear. I wanted to inspire others and, hopefully, turn my passion into something more. Now, let's talk about the journey to monetization. To start earning money on YouTube, you need to meet specific requirements, at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the last 12 months. I dedicated myself to producing videos that resonated with my audience. I experimented with various formats, tutorials, project ideas. I analyzed which videos performed well and adjusted my content accordingly. Engagement was crucial. I made it a point to respond to comments and ask for feedback. Building that connection helped foster a loyal community, which ultimately contributed to my channel's growth. After 6 months of hard work, I finally reached the 1,000 subscriber mark. That was a huge accomplishment, but I knew there was still more to do. I continued to promote my videos on social media. The watch hours began to climb, and soon enough, I received the email from YouTube saying I was eligible for the partner program, which was a very surreal moment. Once I was accepted into the YouTube partner program, I set up my AdSense account to start earning from ads. The day I received my first payment was a mix of emotions, pride, joy, and disbelief. It was a small amount, but it represented so much more than just money. It was proof that my passion could become a source of income. In addition to AdSense, I began exploring selling the stuff I made in exhibitions around my city. This not only provided additional income but also allowed me to buy more materials that genuinely helped my crafting journey. Each new income stream reinforced my belief that I could turn my creative hobby into something sustainable. Now, I want to share some tips for those of you who are just starting your YouTube journey. First, be consistent. Regular uploads help keep your audience engaged and show YouTube that you're committed. Find a schedule that works for you and stick to it. Second, stay authentic. Your unique video is what sets you apart. Share your true self and let your personality shine through in your videos. Authenticity resonates with viewers, building trust and connection. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for their opinions, and create content based on their suggestions. Fostering a community around your channel will not only help you grow but also make the experience more enjoyable. Lastly, don't be afraid to experiment. Try different video formats and explore new crafting techniques. You might discover your niche in unexpected places. As I wrap up this video, I want to reflect on my journey so far. Earning my first income as a craft YouTuber was a significant milestone, a testament to the hard work and dedication I put into my passion. If you're thinking about starting your own channel, I encourage you to go for it. Every creator starts somewhere, and your journey will be unique. Embrace the challenges, learn from your experiences, and most importantly, have fun.
Let me show you some storage baskets and other craft stuffs that I have created so far. Let me show you few sneak peeks of how I have created some of my storage baskets. Now, these are few clips from my first stall.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crafting tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.